Let me show you how easy it is with Minexa.ai to scrape educational case studies from blackboard.com quickly and without any hassle. Here I am opening the blackboard.com page that already has the results showing. Then just hit the Minexa.ai extension icon right there in the toolbar. Once the panel opens, hit I'm on the right page, and Minexa.ai starts analyzing the educational case studies list. The analysis is done. Minexa.ai has mapped out everything on this page perfectly. Now, select List Only, or have Minexa.ai click into each result and scrape its detail page. Most pages just need Continue or Advanced if a button needs clicking before the list appears. That highlighted area is your data. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai finds every field and is ready to extract at scale. All fields are listed. Just select the ones that matter to you, like case study titles, descriptions, and dates. If you are a developer, click API Request. No need to pass full pages to an LLM, the template handles it directly. Hit the violet button to finalize the setup and save the scraper. Pagination locked in. No results get cut off after page 1. Almost done. Connect Google Sheets if you want data pushed there automatically. Then hit Complete Setup. Hit Run, and the extraction is underway. Every value is taken exactly as it appeared on the page. No reformatting or merging, just the educational case study titles, summaries, and dates exactly as shown. Click Export and save everything to your computer as an Excel file or JSON. Set it up in minutes, and it works forever. Anyone can get a spreadsheet, and developers get deterministic JSON extraction at a fraction of the cost of LLM-based tools.